Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are going to do the unboxing of this Gourmet Healthy Rice Cooker with a 4-liter capacity. Now why is this known as a healthy rice cooker? Basically it will remove the starch content from the rice. You know a regular bowl of rice is actually equivalent to 10 teaspoons of sugar? Oh my. So if you have a family history of diabetics or if you want to eat healthier, I think this will be the right product for you. So now let's just open this up and have a look inside. I'm so excited. Okay, here goes. Let's remove this styrofoam first. I'll just take out the cooker. Nothing in the box already. Wow, beautiful machine, don't you think so? Right. Put the plastic back aside. Okay, let's just open this up. Okay, it has a steamer rack here. That is, if you want to do steaming. A cup for you to measure your rice and water. This, I believe, is how the starch from the water is being removed. It's being evaporated and the starch water will all be left here. Of course, inside here we will have our regular, let me see. Okay, a scoop for soup. This for rice. Of course, your power cord with a 3-pin plug. Instruction manual, which shows you use and care, safety guide, the control panels, how to use this beautiful machine, both in English and Chinese. So I think this will help a lot. Do read them up before you use it. Oh, they are very courteous also. Thank you for choosing Gourmet Healthy Rice Cooker. That's great. Of course, what is important is also the warranty. This comes with a, let me see, 1-year warranty. Nice. Okay, a nice stainless steel pot over here. That's for cooking your rice or soup or for braising or making your yogurt or porridge and all these functions that the rice cooker can do. After learning all the good things about this rice cooker, it's definitely better than those regular rice cooker and definitely beneficial for health. I'd like to thank Gourmet for letting us try their healthy rice cooker, and now I'll demonstrate to you how this thing works. Before we start, I'll show you the buttons on the rice cooker. Rice, porridge, steam, low starch rice, brown rice, braised, soup, slow cook, clay pot rice, yogurt, reheat, preset, and of course adjusting of the time, plus and minus, plus the keep warm or cancel button over here. And if we were to turn it to the side, you can see that this is the catchment area for the steam. You need to wash this and pour the water. Alright? So now we'll start to cook our rice. We'll now put in our rice. I've washed and rinsed 2 cups of rice. Put them in. The cup that I'm using is actually the cup that's provided with the rice cooker. 2 cups of this. Now the instruction manual shows that if you want to cook low starch rice, the water to rice ratio is 1 cup of rice is to 2.5 cups of water. So I'm adding in 5 cups of water. Remember that if you want to use the low starch rice function, only put water and rice inside there. Do not add in any ingredients like oil, garlic, etc. Otherwise, the starch water cannot escape. Now, before we close the lid, we need to put in this inner pot for the collection of the starch water. We'll close the lid now, and we'll switch the function to low starch rice. And the standard timing for this is 25 minutes. Of course, you can adjust it to 30 until a maximum of 15 minutes. So I'll see you back in a while, and we'll do a taste test. The rice is done. As you can see over here, there's 2 letters over here, B and B. That means it's on warming mode now. Right? We'll now open this up and have a look at the rice. Right, as you can see, it's filled with water. This is the starch water, which is not good. We just take the handle out and remove this inner pot. Be very careful when you do that, it's pretty hot. Now let's fluff the rice up a little bit. Wow, very fluffy, looks very good. And we'll serve this now. With this Gourmet Healthy Rice Cooker, you can now enjoy your rice with less guilt because it removes 37% of your carbohydrates. So now let's enjoy this healthy rice. As you can see, there's a lot of starch water that's being trapped in this inner pot. If you are using a regular rice cooker, the starch water will be absorbed in the rice as it cooks. So it's not healthy for the human body. So with this healthy rice cooker, I'm sure that we can enjoy our rice with less guilt. So now let's just give the rice a taste. Fluffy. The rice is as good as how you cook it in your regular rice cooker. This is good. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're health conscious and you want something really healthy for your family, and if you intake a lot of carbohydrates like us, then I suggest that this rice cooker is really the one for you. You can get this Gourmet Healthy Rice Cooker at any major departmental stores in Singapore. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.